Okay. Hello, dear friend. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Let's have a cup of tea. For some reason, my voice is not that strong. Anyway, so this is a Huangshan Maofeng. Give me 1 minute. So, are you seeing it a little bit better? So this is a Huangshan Maofeng. Quite a delicate tea. And I find that these couple of days, I feel my body is clean and light. So I think it's because of this tea. Look at it, so pretty. We shall put it in. Let me zoom in a little bit. Look at it. We will steep it for a couple of minutes, maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, something like it. Some of it already getting the water and falling down. Look at it. This is 6 times zoom in. Ooh, 11 times. I think this is digital zoom. Not so good. We get closer to it. How about that? Okay, we change an angle and see it this way. With time, it drinks water and becomes heavier and falling down. Look at it. Now I shake it a little bit. I love to see it. Another falling down, another. Okay, we have a better view this way. See, it falls down. And this water is very refreshing. This is new tea, and since I come back from Beijing, from China. This one is from Huangshan, and I feel my body is cleaner because I drink this more often, and my body is cleansed. with this. A good tea is very pleasant. So pretty. Oh. And without anything, it's just naturally falling down. I did not move it because the tea slowly start to drink water, and the tea take the water and get into the cell, the very core of the tea. It falls down by itself. Look at it. What a show, right? Another one, another one, another one. I think it takes something like 5-6 minutes. It should be okay. Now I will pour into my cup. What a beautiful scene. Fantastic. Now let me try this tea. Okay, I think the tea is a little bit hot. It smells nutty. It smells plant, but not raw plant. A little bit roasted, baked plant leaf, and there is no similarity. There is no way I can find another description for this flavor. It's tea. It's pure tea. It's not coffee. It's not flour. It's not grass. It's tea. And when you drink this this very high quality fresh tea, there is something that no other word can substitute. And it's just the freshness of the mountain. It's the freshness of the water. It's the freshness of the mist, the fog, the moist in the air. So people live in long time in that area. Okay, so now we will add in some more water, and because it's quite strong now, I want to drink something not too strong. So I think every leaf is dropping down now. All the leaves get enough water, and look at it. So I will not need to put any see, it's all dropped down. I do not need to put the lid to cover something to drain some leaf. Just like that. So just think about it. You drink this tea, of course, it cleans your body, right? And because we drink tea, and it grabs the fat, the grease inside our stomach. So I feel my my tummy is flatter, and just by seeing it, I feel so good. So good. Drink it hot. It will dilute the grease inside your body. So you go to restroom often to cleanse your body from inside. That's the best thing, right? And people in Huangshan live long time, live to 100 years. It's not a rarity. A lot of people at 60, 70, 80 years old still climb up mountain to pick up these tea leaves. And it's one thing because of the lack of labor. And the other thing is that people at that age still very healthy. And this is what they they drink every day. In south of China, we have such a saying, I think, 皮包水,水包皮. So in the morning they drink a lot of tea, or in the daytime drink a lot of tea, and their skin, inside their skin, the pi, the skin, inside their body, there is a lot of water. And the evening, they go to soak in the river, soak in a hot bath. It's a 水包皮. It's water enwrap their body. So it's a it's a very clean and very a good way to exchange the to cleanse the body from inside out, outside in. This is so good. A little bit sweet, and there is really no word can explain it. It's not sugary sweet. It's not citrus sour. It's just the pure sweet and the sourness of green tea leaf. Oh, this is so good. And I was thinking of eating some snacks or sweets beside it. And now I am thinking eating anything is a disgrace. It's polluting the purity of this tea. I am not eating snack, just enjoying this tea. Oh, it's so good. So this is Huangshan Maofeng. Huangshan from the beautiful Huangshan mountain, full of foggy mountain, full of fogs, mist, moist. And the tea takes quite a long time to grow. And because there is not that much sunshine, the tea is green. When you get a lot of sunshine, the tea leaf turns yellow, turns darker color. But this one is very pure, very very tender green. Yeah, and it's soup, it's liquor, it's liquid. It's a little bit golden, and not that green color green. This is the perfect color of it. Okay, I will keep on drinking my tea, and I put the link of this tea under the description of this video, so that just in case you want to enjoy some, this is the fresh new tea. And what a beautiful day. I am about to go out. So I am about to go out and enjoy this beautiful afternoon. Look at it. Look at it. How wonderful. An early summer, late springtime. And we had a lot of peach. These couple of days, I ate a lot of peach. The flat peach, so good. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Guru guru bye bye.